So I've got one of these Thrustmaster T248 wheels, and obviously there's a common criticism of these wheels is these nasty sounding paddle shifts. However, I found a way to make this slightly less unpleasant. Check that out. And the way I've done that is by using these tiny little Velcro tab things. I've just slipped one in, left it sticking out a bit in case I ever want to sell the wheel and remove it. Probably not manufacturer recommended, but really just takes the edge off that nasty magnetic snap.